Hi, it's Greg with A&A Masonry. You normally see us just getting started and talking about jobs and doing all kinds of great repairs. Today we're going to bring you in and introduce you to one of our customers that has used us and has completed the work. We're going to get her impressions on A&A Masonry. Come on, I'll introduce you and you'll find out why.
A&A Masonry, an award-winning company servicing the Greater Toronto Area and the Golden Horseshoe.
Hi, it's Greg with A&A Masonry, Toronto's premier and award-winning masonry restoration company. You see a lot of our videos where we're doing repair work, restoration work, new jobs. We also felt it was important to bring a testimonial of some of our customers. I'm sitting here with one of those. Her name is Karen. Hi, Karen. Nice to see you again.
Yes, you too.
We just want to bring some of the experience that you had, but just to make us more aware of why you decided to look for a contractor, what was going on with the house.
Well, I needed quite a bit of repair. My driveway, for example, the finish that was on it had faded because of the sun. There were holes in the corners that I needed repaired. So I've learned through talking to different people that it's not easy to repair that.
Right.
But when I met with Connor, he gave me a really good solution.
Okay.
And when I mentioned other repair work I needed done, again, he came through with wonderful suggestions, and also the SurGuard that you use on the parging.
For sure.
Amazing. I'll never have to do it again.
Yes.
So that was a big selling feature for me.
That's great. And Connor was the person that actually came and had a consultation with you.
Yeah.
And what was the process of finding out or actually getting to know A&A Masonry through medium forms and that sort of thing? That kind of made us stand out. Sorry.
I just Googled and I liked the name. And when I sent in my request through email, to my surprise, Connor contacted me within 2 hours. That's unheard of. Unheard of too. Sorry about that.
That's okay. It could have been Connor, right?
Yeah. It was unheard of for me that someone replied that quickly.
Yeah.
And then he met with me, I think, the next day.
Awesome.
He was on time. He was professional. He was courteous. He gave great suggestions. So I'm sold. If I ever need any other work done, I will call you first.
That's great. And we appreciate that. And again, our customers are like our family, and we will stay in communication so that any job that you may need in the future, referrals, that's a big thing with us. And also to the point of when Connor called you, speed is very important to us as well. Not only to get your job, but also to get through your job and to get it finished and complete. So there's no little things that are unfinished, right? So that it's a complete cycle of action for us so that we can go on to the next one.
Yeah.
Well, that's great. We're very glad and very happy that you're happy. And thank you very much for taking this time with us and sharing it with others. And it's going to be very helpful.
You're welcome.
And there you have it.
To keep you updated on more videos from our education library, hit the like and subscribe buttons and stay on top of the cutting edge of home transformation with A&A Masonry.